It is currently 10:45 p.m. on July 6th. At 5 a.m. the Gordon family leaves to go to Montego Bay. Let the adventure begin. "5:02 a.m. Getting ready." Good morning, princess.
Good morning, Bretman.
And she says most of those deadly crashes could be avoided.
You know this is on my bag?
You know, I just zoomed your face in a lot. Tara, how's your Jimmy Carter?
It's good.
Dad, what are you excited for?
Being with you? What more can a man ask for?
Lynn, what are your final messages?
I don't want to say final anything. Good time. Cheers. Cheers to Jimmy. Cheers to Jimmy Carter.
Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. No bigger on a trip, what you all come in with a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You can get what you see, you can see what you get. And I bet that you are a little bit excited. If you need an autograph, honey, I can write it. I got girls worldwide on the planet. Some call Whitney, some call Janet.
Jamaica. We made it to Jamaica.
Come on.
Yep, we just got in the van. We just left the airport, so we're all
We're sweaty. Lynn, tell us what happened.
Well, we got in. Easy flight. Brett was sleeping, kind of grumpy. Had sinus issues. Wouldn't talk to anybody much. Now we're in Jamaica, and they lost my luggage, but I'm not concerned. Much.
We got the ass bottom boat right there. Ass bottom. Oh, it's glass bottom. Glass bottom. Okay, now I see it. So that was a view from our old room. We had to switch rooms because it was very loud from construction. This is our new view. You look like Beyonce. Day one. Lost my sunglasses. Gotta go find them.
I got a girl in Paris, I got a girl in Rome. I even got a girl in the Vatican Dome. I got a girl right here, I got a girl right there. And now I got a girlfriend everywhere.
In the water. Is that a girl or a guy? Woman. Oh, sorry, ma'am. She's panning. About a quarter. Anything else? Oh, that is okay. Update number 1. Didn't find the sunglasses. So the trees in Jamaica have Wi-Fi. End of day 1. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm with my best friends in the world.
Tara.
Bruh.
Brookie, what's the peak of your day?
Well, the peak of my day was
Contrast.
being in the ocean. That's it.
Peak of my day was winning at Jamaican Sorry and getting a free water bottle.
Successful. Peak of my day, I got a happy birthday cake, but I ate it.
Got a girl on the moon, I got a girl on Mars. I even got a girl that likes to dance with the stars. I got a girl right here and one right there. And I got a girlfriend everywhere.
Get it? Free drinks?
That's not
Right, you're
recording
fuzzy.
yet.
You're fuzzy.
It's not recording
You're
yet.
fuzzy.
Oh, it is recording.
It is recording.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, yep. Day 2 in Jamaica. We got the
Boob shot.
Maid of Honor, Tyra Gordon.
You gotta do like a freeze frame when I do like that, and then it says Maid of Honor across. You go like, and then you freeze it.
Time for breakfast, let go. Everybody, we have Neo on the island. Neo, say hello.
Hello. That's
Okay.
it's not Neo. It's Mamo.
Going to the World Cafe for breakfast. Hoping it's a buffet. That'd be hype. Turn it up, let's go. This is so big. This is what pool aerobics looks like.
From Miami Beach to Beluga Bay, from the Milky Way to East LA, from Central Pay to my home cafe. That's my way, and I do it like day by day in Africa, America, Europe, and Australia, Asia, Canada. I take them on to America, India, Arabia, to the coast of Germany, all around the planet. You can be my fantasy. I got a girl in Paris, I got a girl in Rome, I even got a girl in the Vatican Dome. I got a girl right here, I got a girl right there, and I got a girlfriend everywhere. I got a girl on the moon, I got a girl on Mars.
Just ordered a strawberry mango daiquiri. Thing's fire.
I even got a girl that likes to dance in the stars. I got a girl right here and one right there, and I got a girlfriend everywhere. You and me, no matter where you're from, baby. No matter where you're from, baby.
Going for an extreme with boba shot. I'm here. Ryan is right there. Let's see if we can do it. Pretty far throw.
Baby, only you and me. No matter where you're from, baby. No matter where you're from, baby. Baby, only you.
That's how you do it. Let's go. Right. Caught it. Woo! Let's go. Ricky, where are we going?
We're going to get some Italiano.
For what?
For Marisa's rehearsal dinner. Oh, look at the vibe. Look at
Cool. Smile.
Congratulations.
Hello, sir. Please open your wings. Sir, please open your wings. Okay, just kidding. You do you. I'm sorry.
Lean right. Okay.
You guys match so great.
You lean right. You see us both?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brennan. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, man. Yay! You got your wish.
Thank you for coming. Day 2 is complete. Tomorrow morning, me and Brooke go paddleboarding, and my birthday is in a couple hours. Let's go.
I got a girl in Paris, I got a girl in Rome, I even got a girl in the Vatican Dome. I got a girl